Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The 2026 Boeing 777X is Boeing's most ambitious wide-body aircraft to date, designed to redefine long-haul air travel by blending sheer size, advanced technology, and next-generation efficiency. While it carries the familiar DNA of the legendary Boeing 777 family, an aircraft known for reliability and long-range dominance, the 777X is far more than a simple upgrade. It represents a deep re-engineering of almost every major component, aimed at meeting the future needs of airlines, passengers, and a rapidly changing aviation industry. Boeing's goal with the 777X was clear: create the most efficient, capable, and comfortable large twin-engine jet ever built. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of the 777X is its wing. These wings are the longest ever installed on a commercial aircraft, stretching farther than those on the Airbus A380. Built primarily from advanced carbon fiber composite materials, the wings are lighter, stronger, and more flexible than traditional metal designs. This flexibility allows the wings to slightly bend during flight, optimizing lift and reducing drag. The result is better fuel efficiency, smoother airflow, and improved overall performance. To solve the problem of airport compatibility, Boeing introduced folding wingtips, an innovation rarely seen in commercial aviation. When the aircraft is parked or taxiing, the wingtips fold upward, reducing the wingspan so the plane can fit into standard airport gates. Once airborne, the wingtips deploy, allowing the full wingspan to work its aerodynamic magic. Equally impressive are the engines that power the 777X. The General Electric GE9X engines are the largest and most powerful jet engines ever certified for commercial use. Each engine produces immense thrust while being significantly more fuel efficient than previous generations. This efficiency comes from a combination of advanced materials, including ceramic matrix composites, and a massive fan with a very high bypass ratio. In simple terms, more air flows around the engine rather than through it, which improves efficiency and reduces noise. For passengers, this means a quieter cabin, especially during takeoff and climb. For airlines, it means lower fuel bills, reduced emissions, and fewer maintenance interruptions over the aircraft's lifespan. Performance is where the 777X truly shines. Designed for ultra-long-haul routes, the aircraft can fly more than 8,700 nautical miles non-stop, connecting city pairs that were previously impractical or impossible. This capability allows airlines to operate direct flights between major global hubs and distant destinations, reducing travel time and eliminating layovers. Despite its long range, the 777X does not compromise on payload. It can carry a large number of passengers along with significant cargo, making it a strong revenue generator on both passenger and freight-heavy routes. This balance of range, capacity, and efficiency is one of the aircraft's strongest selling points. Inside the cabin, Boeing focused heavily on passenger experience, recognizing that long flights demand a higher level of comfort. The cabin is wider than most competing aircraft in its class, allowing for more spacious seating configurations. Even in economy class, passengers benefit from slightly wider seats and aisles. Larger windows bring in more natural light, making the space feel open rather than confined. Improved cabin pressurization and higher humidity levels help reduce common long-haul issues such as dehydration and fatigue, allowing passengers to arrive feeling more refreshed. Overhead bins have been redesigned to hold more luggage, which helps speed up boarding and reduces the stress of finding space for carry-on bags. Lighting plays a major role in the cabin atmosphere. Advanced LED mood lighting can be adjusted to simulate sunrise, sunset, in different phases of the day, helping passengers adjust to new time zones and reduce jet lag. Noise insulation has also been improved throughout the aircraft, resulting in a quieter ride even during turbulent conditions. These details may seem small, but over a 12 to 16-hour flight, they significantly improve the overall travel experience. From the cockpit perspective, the 777X maintains a strong connection to the original 777, which is a deliberate choice by Boeing. Many airlines already operate older 777 models, and keeping a familiar flight deck reduces training time and costs for pilots. However, beneath that familiarity lies a new generation of technology. The aircraft features advanced avionics, updated displays, improved flight management systems, and fly-by-wire controls on the wings. These systems enhance precision, efficiency, and safety, while still giving pilots a hands-on flying experience. Automation assists with workload management, especially on long flights, but pilots remain firmly in control. Economics are at the heart of the 777X's design philosophy. Boeing claims that the aircraft delivers around 10% better fuel efficiency than its closest competitors and significantly better performance compared to older 777 models. Fuel is one of the largest operating costs for airlines, so even small percentage improvements translate into massive savings over time. Lower fuel burn also means lower carbon emissions, helping airlines meet environmental regulations and sustainability targets. While the 777X is still a large aircraft, it represents a more responsible approach to long-haul aviation in an era increasingly focused on climate impact. Another major advantage of the 777X is its versatility. Airlines can configure the aircraft in multiple ways, from high-density layouts for busy international routes to ultra-luxury cabins featuring first-class suites, business-class pods, and premium economy sections. This flexibility allows carriers to adapt the aircraft to different markets and passenger demands. Beyond passenger service, the 777X platform also holds strong potential for future freighter versions. With global air cargo demand continuing to grow, a long-range, fuel-efficient freighter based on the 777X would be extremely attractive to cargo operators. The journey to service for the 777X has not been without obstacles. Development delays, technical challenges, and rigorous certification requirements have pushed its entry into service later than initially planned. However, these delays have also allowed Boeing to thoroughly test, refine, and improve the aircraft. By 2026, the 777X benefits from years of real-world testing, making it one of the most extensively evaluated aircraft in Boeing's history. For airlines, this means a more mature and reliable product when it finally enters commercial service. In the broader context of aviation, the 2026 Boeing 777X stands as a bridge between the past and the future. It carries forward the proven strengths of the original 777: range, reliability, and capacity, while embracing new materials, digital systems, and efficiency-focused design. It proves that large twin-engine aircraft still have a vital role to play in global aviation, especially on long-haul routes where comfort, cargo capacity, and non-stop connectivity matter most. For passengers, it promises a quieter, more comfortable journey. For airlines, it offers strong economics and operational flexibility. And for aviation enthusiasts, it represents one of the most impressive engineering achievements of the modern era, a true flagship aircraft built to shape the future of long-distance air travel.